A young man born after the year 2000 was very bold. He took the 100,000 yuan down payment his father gave him for the Ito M9 and used it to fully purchase this rusty, battle-damaged old Prado. He even planned to use all his savings to completely refurbish it. His furious father saw the refurbished result and was so happy that he directly bought the M9 in full to exchange with him. Let's take a look at the final result. Because this Prado was a lucky find, the young man was worried there might be an issue with the engine, so he insisted we separate the chassis for inspection. After separating the chassis, it was clear the previous owner often drove on sand as the frame was covered with sand marks. After discussing with the young man to make his dad love this Prado, he decided to pay out of pocket to restore the entire chassis to factory settings. After removing all the attachments from the beam, first clean it to check the condition of the beam under the dirt. Once cleaned, you can see the rust spots on the beam, so it seems a thorough rust removal is unavoidable. Use laser rust removal on all the beam attachments and the beam itself.
After the thorough repair is completed, immediately apply powder coating for rust prevention. Let it run for another 10 or 8 years, no problem.
Then reassemble the refurbished beam attachments back to the main.
Because the previous owner often went dune bashing, the engine definitely needs a thorough check. When the engine was disassembled, it was clear that it had been overhauled not long ago. But why does it need to be taken apart again now? Keep watching.
After opening the steel cover, you can already see carbon deposits on the piston, iron filings inside the steel sleeve, and scratch marks. If it runs for a while longer, the engine will probably be scrapped.
Once the engine parts are disassembled, you can see that because the last overhaul did not follow the original factory data to assemble the engine properly, it caused a connecting rod failure. Next, let's see how we solve it.
Place the parts in the ultrasonic cleaner and take another look at the opening. Prepare the refurbished parts. Start assembling the engine. Use an Ingersoll Rand torque machine of the same level as the original manufacturer to apply oil lift according to the original car data.
Replace the piston with a new original factory piston sleeve and insert the piston.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Once the engine refurbishment is complete, the entire chassis can be assembled with the car body.
When it first arrived, it was covered with a car cover. To impress the old man, the entire car must be repainted with parrot paint. The obsessive-compulsive president insists on keeping the factory clean at all times. To preserve the classic look, the interior was refurbished according to the original car's color scheme, as this authentic style is what his father likes best.
All plastic parts that need refurbishing must be cleaned first before proceeding to the next step. Sand the surface of the plastic parts until smooth. In just a few minutes of video, the masters spent an entire month. Let's take a look at the final smile together.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.